Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll be designing an email header. So first of all, you want to go to create a design at the top just here and click the button that says more and then let this new page load once you've clicked it. Okay, and this is where you will find the email header. So at the right over here where it says social media and email headers, click on this one just here which says email header. So let this new page load and this is the canvas where you'll be designing your email header. So first of all you want to do is click where it says rename your design just here and just title it whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to call it email header for simplicity reasons, and then I know exactly what it is when I'm looking through my other designs. And this is where you'll be designing the email header. So let's just get straight into it by picking a layout first of all. So the layouts are over here on the left. You just want to scroll through all of them to find your favorite one. And remember, this is an email header, so it needs to be relevant to your company or your person as to who you are or where you are in your company, as so on and so forth, okay? So let's just have a look through these and see what we can find, see what is a good one for us. And you need to, of course, see which one is perfect for you. So I'm just going to keep scrolling down because I haven't seen a perfect one just yet. Might find a better one yet though, we're not sure. What's this? Let's have a look. That's quite cool. I like that. It's a very simple but very nice. I might just redesign this. I've got an idea. Alright, so there we go. And then just here we can change this to say a few different things. First of all, okay, the ultimate online courses, and then we're going to call it the weekly newsletter. So we're going to put that in just here. Black Brick, the ultimate online courses weekly newsletter. And that is that. So that took no time at all. Okay, this is a very quick design to make, I must say. So then we can add a new page and just do another design. So this one just here. So this is the photo in the design which is paid, so we can just change that, of course. So on here we can just put Black Brick, or of course whatever your company or whatever your name is, you can type that just here. And then you can change this to daily or weekly newsletter or anything you want. I'm just going to type weekly newsletter again, just keep the theme that I have already going. Weekly newsletter, fantastic. And we're going to change the color of this. Oh, not the font, sorry, the colour to a nice green, which is just like the one up here. And yeah, so that is that. And then we just need to change this image here to something else. So let's just go to, let's get an image of a school or something to do with it. So how about this? That looks cool. Let's just leave it as that. And then let's just design another one. So new page, layouts, and let's look for something else. This is perfectly easy. Anyone can design an email header in seconds. So that is absolutely fantastic. Of course, you can have it saying whatever you want. You can say your name, your company's name, and you can have it say daily newsletter. You can have it say your slogan, anything you want. So it's fantastic. So just scroll down. We're going to design one more, and that will be this video because it's super simple, this one. So anyone can do it. Literally anyone. So now let's go to this one just here called You're Amazing. And all we need to do is change the background image as that is what's paid. So let's just type in MacBook, like so, and get a nice image of a MacBook just here. Let's see which one looks best. How about this one? Yep, that is cool. So let's just see. You're amazing, like this part about mazes. That was a maze, the background image. So we're going to change this now. The ultimate online courses. And then just here, we can just put Black Brick, I guess. And that just shows how quick and easy it is to make an awesome email header. Okay, so we've made 3 in under 10 minutes. We've made 3 in under 5 minutes, okay? So that is absolutely amazing. So we've already renamed it. We've already designed 3 different email headers. Of course, you can re-change the text. You can change the icons. You can change the font, the colors, the size. Anything that you want to change, you can change. And it is super simple. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to click save because you don't want to lose your work. And remember to download it. You just go over to the right here, hit download, and then choose the page. Or you can download all of them by clicking all pages and then just choose the file type. So that is everything. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.